My friends, there is nothing more simple, more classic than a nice cozy mattress. Crisp, cool, fresh mattress, right? It doesn't matter if it's a king-size Colossal or a more modest-size Murphy. But nothing kills that crisp, clean slumber pad more than those nasty pee stains. And so today, I'm taking you on a pee-removing pilgrimage because I'm going to show you how to clean pee stains from your mattress with confidence. To remove pee stains from your mattress, you're going to need baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, Dawn dish soap, and a few drops of essential oils, which is optional. Also, by the way, I told him not to dress up, but he decided to wear a tie instead. Over here you can see a big round thing. And FYI, this solution will work for sweat stains as well. So you got pee stain solution here and a sweat stain solution. To make this DIY cleaning solution, we need 8 ounces of the hydrogen peroxide. The next thing we need to add is 3 tablespoons of the baking soda.
Oh, baking soda, I have baking soda. Baking soda, I have baking soda.
And lastly, 1-2 drops of the Dawn dish soap. And go a little bit more than that. That's fine. Won't hurt. Oh, and also, by the way, you can add a couple drops of your favorite essential oil into here to make it smell good. That's nothing more than for fragrance and scent. It has nothing to do with the cleaning process. Now let's stir up our mixture. To apply our mixture here to our stain, it can be tricky. Some people like to put this in a spray bottle. But the thing about it is because of your baking soda, it tends to clog up the spray bottle. So, and to prevent that from happening, I prefer to do it a little bit different. So mix it up real good. Make sure it's mixed up real good. Take a sponge, and it needs to be applied very liberally. So, and then just kind of squirt it or drip, I don't know what you call it, squeeze a little bit on the stain. Very liberal. Make sure it's on very liberal. Make sure you get it all around your stain. Right like that. And what we're going to do is we're just going to allow this to sit. Once it's finished, I'll explain to you how this works. Alright, so the solution worked, and what I've done is allow it to sit and dwell for about 7 hours, and the stain is gone, as you can see. Now, the reason this works is because the hydrogen peroxide evaporates, and as it evaporates, it draws upward the urine to the surface of the mattress. From that point, the pee gets absorbed into the baking soda, and you're left with a crusty white residue here on top, and then you just vacuum it up. So now all we need to do is vacuum the residue, and we'll be finished. One thing I will mention, that if this is still wet, you don't want to vacuum it, basically, if it's still wet, because the pee would still be down inside the mattress. So even if you can't see it, because it's still wet, the hydrogen peroxide is still evaporating, and it's still not completely evaporated because it's still wet, and so it's still drawing the pee to the surface of the mattress. And you want to get all the pee on the surface of the mattress. Wait until you have a dry, crusty residue, and then we'll vacuum it up, and mattress will be clean. Pee stain will be gone. Yay, yay! Hope that makes sense. Hope I explained that well for you. Let's start vacuuming. So you can just use your regular brush attachment here. We'll be good. Now, one thing I will show you, you'll notice here on the mattress, this is where we cleaned. It is white, it is pretty, and it is beautiful. This is a really old mattress though, and really the whole mattress needs to be cleaned. But you can tell how well it worked. Still dirty. And then clean. This is the area we cleaned. So that's it, my friends. How to remove urine from your mattress. Thanks so much for checking out the video. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. My friends, this DIY recipe is stain fighting amazing. I've tested it. I've tried it. And now you have the simple solution to remove those nasty pee stains.